Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out a review of the worst laundromat in Portland. We're going to see if it's really that bad or if people are just exaggerating. So let's check this video out. This video is from user the Scooby Noob on YouTube. I'll link to the original video down below so you can check it out. But let's get started with the video. Alright, as you guys can see, worst laundromat in Portland. So let's see what this laundromat's all about. Start the video. Kind of like the floor of VCT, red and white. A little older style, 80s look, but well, maybe 70s look, but
This is the Kenton Laundromat in Kenton
he does his own commentary throughout it, so.
area of Portland, Oregon. The worst laundromat in all of Portland.
11 seconds in, it doesn't look that bad. Looks like some old Wasco mats there, soap center.
They have a total of 2 laundry baskets.
He meant laundry carts.
The bathroom's always closed and locked. They have no Wi-Fi. And today there's water all over the floor because somebody didn't clean the water trap.
Just looking at this laundromat, this would not be the worst laundromat in my city. I don't know if the laundromats in Portland are just above and beyond, but a little water on the floor, that's normal. They should have some fans in there.
The change machine, if it spits back $1 at you, it makes you wait about 3 to 5, 6 minutes before it actually will start working again.
There. Open every day, 7 a.m. to blank. The changer, it sounds like they need to get a new validator. If it's not working correctly.
It's always dirty in here.
Always dirty, yeah. It doesn't look that dirty right now, but hard to see from the video.
This is the worst.
Looks like they got credit card readers in all their machines. They're big ones.
In Portland.
A sink to wash your hands.
They come in here with the people that own it and they give you dirty looks a lot. See? It's always dirty in here. And generally about a quarter.
Okay, looks like they have card readers on some of their machines. Those look like small machines though.
The machines are always broke down. It's looking better today. You can see there's always some signs on at least one in each or two in each row.
It's too hard to see what kind of machine.
There's one. Worst laundromat in Portland.
Looks like any Wasco
Unfortunately, the other one I like
if you guys know what type of machines these are, put them in the comments below.
to go to is closed down for remodel. Never any attendance here, hardly.
I like the payphone.
Just sucks here, man. Anyways, that's it. Worst laundromat in Portland, the Kenton Laundromat. And I would know, I go to a lot of laundromats.
You know what? This guy says it's the worst, but he's here doing laundry, so. Alright, let's check out the reviews for this place.
You could skip this ad, but don't skip the part that can help you.
Alright, 2.8 out of 20 reviews on Google. That's not very good. Not the worst I've ever seen, so let's see what some of these reviews say. Washers are small and like $5 each. Can probably fit half a load. Yeah, these are the... let's see these. She uploaded a bigger picture. Oh, wow. Looks like a rat ate the piece. Whoa, looks like Wasco mat. Oh, ADC dryers. Okay, let's see. Go back to reviews. Let's see if there's one 5-star review. Something positive we can go on. Most of the washers are out of order. A little parking by the street. Oh, there you go. Everyone was nice and wonderful visit. Place smelled like mold. Quiet and not crowded. 1-star review. Need some TLC. Place was clean. They have not changed the machine since the 80s. Clothes stolen. Homeless walk in and out. Mice eating snacks in vending machine. Sad little laundromat. Let's get another 5-star review. Oh, and a couple 5-star reviews. So, not the worst. Definitely some room for improvement. Let's see if we can find a lower rated laundromat in Portland. Well, right off the bat, we got Brooklyn Laundromat. A little bit lower rating, so it's definitely not the worst laundromat in Portland. Let's see, maybe it's the second worst. Nope, this one's 1.9 stars out of 22 reviews. So, not the worst. Let's take a quick look at this Powell Villa Coin Laundry. This place doesn't look that bad. So look at these pictures real quick. Oof. Place is filthy. Oof. It's kind of hard to see. The picture's a little dark, but oof. Yeah, look at this floor. This has been mopped in months. All these dryer sheets there. Change machine out of service. Oof, if you walked in and saw that. This is how it should look when it's all clean. You can see the door opens. This is I want to take this photo. See, that don't look bad. But that's from 2015. Here's the street view. End of a nice little villa. So, the YouTube video was wrong. Here, let me put a YouTube video said that was the worst laundromat in Portland. Unfortunately, that was the third worst laundromat in Portland. But we did see some positives out of there. If they cleaned it more, a little more attentive, and worked on their customer service, I think they can do a vast improvement. But I appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll see you next time.